and welcome to AI Franchise by Michael Cheney. Set to go live on the 3rd of February at 8 a.m. EST. Today, I'm going to take you through a demo video and show you the 3 AI tools that we have inside of here, as well as the 247K business that you're actually going to be getting with this franchise. So let's kick it off. We have 4 steps that need to be completed inside of the members area here. And the first step is to make sure that you register and attend the live 247K business handover session run by Michael. It's essential. You want to make sure you go there so that you can get all the information that you need to be able to move forward, and away you go. Secondly, we're going to partner with Michael. We're going to go to Getting Started. We're going to find out exactly how to get started here, and then we're going to head over to getting approved for the franchise business that you're going to be promoting. And then last but not least, we're going to grab some done for you, ready-made promos that are ready for you to kick off your business quick, smart. Step 3 is where all the goodness is, and we're going to head over and meet the AI. It's pretty essential that you actually do watch this video in full, as you'll learn exactly how to go about using the AI tool effectively so that you can get the most out of your AI franchise business. Next is we're going to go and get the lead magnet. So this is the bot just here, AI franchise. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Get Lead Magnet. And basically what the bot wants is for you to go to the sales letter that you want to promote and copy and paste the body of the sales letter. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the whole entire sales letter. So we're going to copy that, and then we are going to go back over and we're going to input that data here. So now we have the sales letter that's inside of here. Now this is the link to the sales letter here, just to make it nice and easy for you. Alrighty, now what the bot's going to ask for is now please share your affiliate link. Now you would have got the affiliate link from up here. We get approval, and all the instructions are inside of there. So now I will just grab my affiliate link, and it's going to embed this into the lead magnet. So there's my affiliate link. Now that's going to be embedded inside of there. So here we have it. We have 5 options that we can choose from in lead magnet ideas. Now you could use all 5 if you like, or you could choose one, give that a go, promote that, and then when you feel like that's lost its legs, or you want to try another one, then you can try another one, so forth and so on. So here we have the lead magnet ideas, the ultimate guide to building your 7-figure affiliate system, the 30-minute daily routine for affiliate success. I think that's the one I'll do. Free traffic strategies for affiliate marketers. That'll be a good one. The 7-figure affiliate mindset workbook, and the quick start checklist for new affiliate marketers. I'm going to go back here to the 30-minute daily routine and paste it in here. That's the one that we want to do. Now AI franchise bot is going to create that for you. Here we go, it's been created. Now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this over to a Word doc, and then we're going to head to the next step where we're going to create some images to go onto the doc that is going to make this into an incredible lead magnet. Now let's go and grab the images. Here we are here in the image maker. Now what we want to do is we want to grab some images. So what we're going to do is we're going to go for, right, morning routine, engage with your audience. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a 40-plus-year-old man planning his morning routine. Great, that's exactly what we want. So we're going to save that image. Then we're going to get the next one, create an image of a audience. Create an image of a clock. Okay, now we've got our images. We need to go over to the JPEG to PNG. All right, now we have our images. We're on to get the final lead magnet. So what I've done is that I've put it all together and I've downloaded it and popped it into Google Drive. And here we have it, the 30-minute daily routine for affiliate success. The lead magnet is ready to go, and it has your affiliate link already embedded in here, and that's going to go straight to the offer when you're promoting it. Now let's get the traffic. We're going to head over to the Get Social Posts, and we're going to use the AI Franchise AI tool again. Now you'll see that there's a button here that says Get Social Posts. We're going to click that, and because we already have the information inside of here, it's going to immediately be able to create the social post. All we need to do now is put our hobbies in, and if we have a pet. Here we go. Now it's going to generate the post. You can generate as many posts as you like. Now we have the post. We are ready to go. Now we also have a set of bonuses here. AI Traffic Machine, the AI Franchise Playbook, the live handover session, the Millionaire Cloning System, the automated custom service solution, the AI franchise machine activation codes, the easy payment processing, and the true story how the little guy escapes the 9-to-5 hell. Alrighty, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me with the demo of AI franchise. We look forward to seeing you all on the 3rd of February. See you then.